Welcome back to Organic Essentials, where we make real food recipes, and today we're making the Wendy's Baconator, but in a bowl. Shout out to Tyla, one of our awesome subscribers who requested this recipe. Alright, so we're gonna get started with our bacon. Go ahead and layer it out on a baking sheet, and we're gonna get this crispy in the oven. That's my preferred method to cook bacon. It just honestly makes it way less messy and easy. Alright, so now we're gonna start on our ground beef. So grab a couple pounds of grass-fed ground beef and season it with sea salt, cracked pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. And we're just gonna go ahead and mince it rather than put it in patties. But guys, this recipe has 38 grams of protein and is very low carb. So if you like low carb, high protein meals, this is for you. We're gonna put this to the side. Now our bacon is nice and crispy and ready, so we're gonna let this drain on some paper towels. And I like to dap it just a little bit, but try not to crush the bacon when you do this, okay? All right, now we're gonna layer our ground beef with our organic American cheese and a layer of bacon. Another layer of ground beef, American cheese, and bacon. I also like to add a little bit of avocado mayo here, and then we're gonna drizzle with yellow mustard. If you like ketchup, you can add it here as well, but I wanted to keep this recipe super low carb, so I omitted the ketchup. But guys, that's pretty much it. That is a Wendy's Baconator right here from home. High protein, low carb, full of flavor. So now we are gonna go ahead and go in for the taste test. Very excited for this. Cheers. Wow. I would make this a million times again. So delicious. The cheese is melty. Oh my God. Burger meat is well seasoned. With it being low carb, there's no bun, no sugar in the bacon or anything, no seed oils. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so good. The bacon's nice and crispy. We can feel good about it. We can feel good about all these ingredients in here. I think a personal touch I would add some onion and jalapenos and some lettuce, tomato, pickles. Definitely onions and pickles. Comment below, have you tried the Wendy's Baconator? Would you add some things to this bowl and kind of make it your own, put your spin on it? Even just like this, the traditional way. This is so good. Just like the Baconator, the only thing is we did reduce some of the beef. We did 4.5 ounces, which is the same as like the son of a Baconator. But since we don't have the bun, we went ahead and did the same amount of bacon and cheese as the original Baconator. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. It really helps out our channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe and you make it at home. Definitely check out our other videos up here or up here. Eat well, be well, and I will see you next time.